Alright, so I'm going to replace the fuel line grommets here on the back. This one looks okay-ish. I mean, it definitely needs replaced. I want to pull this off. Look at that there, all just chewed up. Told that guy it's leaking fuel from there. Definitely is. So, take a pick and get that guy off of there. And put some new ones on there. Fish around and oh, looky there. It's separated in there even. It most definitely was leaking there like I said. Alright, well, won't be any more. That's probably what the constant drip under this thing was. Whoa. So, let me go get those out of that kit. Put those on here. So, to get the grommets, gonna need this part number here. It's about $20-some, depending on where you source it from. It comes with all these right here. It's got the grommets for the fuel bowl in it too. And here's the paper to it. So it says to coat them with some engine oil. Let's go find some of that real quick. Alright, so got it all suckificated in engine oil. And there it's at the end of that. This is an absolute nightmare to deal with when the engine's in the truck, so. And you just run this nut down until it bottoms out. And torque it down to like 37,000 foot-pounds of torque. And then do the same for the other side as well. I've already got it off and stuff, but I'm not worried about videoing. And I got the one on this side done as well, so you just tighten her back up. Well, another thing I did that I didn't mention is I took some Scotch-Brite and cleaned up the end of those, so I like what I work on to be fairly cleanish. There you go. So if you had to do this with a turbo on, you could just imagine how much aggravation that would be. I mean, not just the turbo on it, but I mean it in the truck. I mean, you got the up pipe coming up right next to this, and that's why this seal over here it goes out faster, is because it's got a lot of heat right next to it. This one here is just a little farther away. When you're doing a electronic fuel conversion, it's best to feed the fuel from the back of the heads like how it was done to start with from the factory. While this one's okay-ish to get to, this one right here is always a big pain. At this point though, we're about to get the engine finished up and thrown here into this truck, so
definitely keep watching for that. This has been a fun project to deal with here, other than some broke bolts. But anyway, we'll get all that straightened out and get her put together. Also want to praise my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. May he richly bless and guide you all in everything that you do, and they bring in. Oh my goodness, this kitty, he's so funny. I can't do anything without his help. But anyway, may the Lord and Savior Jesus Christ richly bless you and your families and all knowledge of the truth. Hopefully these videos have been some help to you, whether you're working on something or you just need something to relax to. Got any questions, comments, there's a box for that. Just let me know. Also, I've got 2 school buses that I've been parting out. Still got loads of parts. Contact me if you need something. That's all 7.3 stuff. Got some Allison T444E and MD3060 automatic transmissions, rear ends, front axles. So hit me up. Let me know what you need. If not, hey, again, thank you for your time.